Good morning guys. So I managed to find this place called Backpackers Diani, and I checked in pretty late because I checked out of Leisure Lodge quite late. Like I ended up spending so much time packing. It's a pretty nice place. So it has like a pool there, but like the rooms are kind of standard. It's really affordable, about 1400 a night. I'm gonna be here for like the next 2 to 3 days until I move on to the next place, which I'm still not too sure where I'm going. Today is more or less just like a chill working day, just doing work on the laptop and sitting by the pool. I met Joki and she's complaining that I've not put her on my vlog.
I mean, it only makes sense. It only makes sense. That's all I'm gonna say.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, YouTube. I'm Joki, and just recently became one of Raj's best friends.
I've been getting a lot of best friends lately.
Number one.
For today's trip, we're heading to Robinson Island, and Edie is going to be showing me around today. So I thought they weren't going to join us, but they're joining us. Hello. It's your chance to shine. Huh? Joking. Oh, yeah, now you're on the vlog. We've decided to sit on the edge, on the top deck, and there's like no seats or anything. Pretty sure we might fall, but
living life on the edge.
Wait, literally living on the edge.
Contrary to popular belief, I do not have a death wish.
Kat can speak in an Indian accent. Tell us.
Can I speak to Mr. Chile, please? That's the only thing I can say. What are you going to tell him?
What are you going to tell him?
Just depends on what you're going to tell him. If you're going to tell him you don't want any of the... to tell him.
Yeah, what you want to tell him?
Not just talk, what you say.
What you want to say.
It's important what you say. Not just talking, not talking. You must know what you're saying. Mr. Girard, please, can I order from you from the curry? You know, you understand?
They can just call you if they want to do their accented ads, right?
Yes.
Yeah. If you need Indian or you need French,
we can also do very nice price only. Not a lot of money. Yeah. Very, very cheap.
we're all getting ready to go in and snorkel. You guys ready? Yeah. You ready? So I guess if you're a beginner snorkeler, it's better to wear a life jacket than to actually go out and snorkel without anything at all. It's so much easier and it's much fun. Then you can kind of get the grip of how to do this thing. So we're on Robinson Island, but the tide is still kind of high and there's still water all over the place, but the sand underneath my feet is so smooth. So basically Robinson Island is like a sandbank. Just finished our snorkel trip. That was actually really fun. Like got to see a lot, and there was this one point where like the fish were like this close. So I think I would mark that as my first actual proper snorkeling trip, and good thing I had the GoPro this time. This part of Diani beach is probably the cleanest I've seen. It's really clean. Like there's zero seaweed. We're back at the hostel and I've got to say that was quite a fun day. I don't know one thing guys, How the heck do you manage your hair? It just keeps flying all over the place. Any of you know how to manage it and know cutting it is not an option.
How do we manage the hair?
Yeah, like they're not helping me because like their hair is like always open.
We're struggling so much with how to manage the hair. Yeah.
I don't think you guys know what it feels like to have short hairs just like peeking out like this. You...
I do. Yes.
I don't.
I have baby hair. Baby hair everywhere.
Oh well, they're still not helping me. So if one of you can help me.
Yeah, Baba Boil is actually really good.
I guess we're just gonna chill for the rest of the evening. I still need to upload one of the older vlogs. The internet is really slow here, but I think I'm going to try and get that done. Quick mention to fan of the day. Fan of the day today goes to Kemunto Bear. Kemuntu, thank you for all your support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe as usual, and I will see you guys in the next video.